Let me show you what's inside. Mimi's Toy Corner! Let's have some fun! Hi guys, welcome back to Mimi's Toy Corner. You like slime? Because I've got another DIY and it's one epic set. Tons more inside than you think. Guys, it's safe and non-toxic, soft and elastic. It's an educational DIY slime kit made by a new company called Joyjoz. And this kit is for over 6 years. Let me show you what's inside. Guys, there is everything you need for an epic slime session. Let me get it all out of the box for you. Guys, you won't believe how much is here. Look! Even scented slime. We got 12 crystal clear slimes, 5 glitters, 3 scented slimes. We got 1 pack of large foam beads, 1 pack of fruit slices, Doll's fishbowl beads, snowflake, hearts, sprinkles, fruit. We got straws, shapes, cutters. Guys, this is an epic set for the money. So let's get on making our slime. So what shall we make first, guys? Let me put everything to one side and we'll do one at a time. So guys, this time I've picked its clear slime and the fruit. Let's get on making our slime. It's easy to open, resealable packet, so you can use it all over again. Let me open it. Whoa! So let's pour in the fruit. Guys, can you see all the different fruits? That's a lot of detail for so tiny. So guys, it's really coming together. Already got some nice noises. It's really good slime. Look how colourful it is. Feels good too. Really cool. Let me put this one in the packet. Amazing slime. Guys, this is a new company, so I'm sure they're going to be really big, especially based on this packet. Next up, we got my lemon scented slime and some white foam beads. Let me open the slime and I'll play the beads. I love the box. Wait. Let me give it a smell. Ooh! Nice! Really nice and lemony. So I'm just working the slime and we'll put the beads in. Look at this cute jar, guys. Ideal for reusing. So guys, let me put some beads in. It's a big bag. Guys, I've already got my beads. Let me slime it. Remember, slime cleans as it goes. So I got all the beads together. Let's give it a play. Whoa. Whoa. This is so cool. The slime can be as individual as you, with all the parts that are going to be there forever. Let me make a couple more slimes, then we'll try out the shapes and straws. So guys, now I'm going to use glitter with green. And what I like about the glitter is they've got holes in the top, so you won't waste any. Let's go! Whoa. 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 Look how green it is. It's like slime. Can you see it trying to escape? Now I can just sprinkle my glitter straight into the pot. Wow, it's so pretty. Guys, can you see the glitter? Let me show you underneath. Look at the colours, guys. Guys, it's like a yellow, green, blue. I love it. The more you work the sign, the more flexible it comes. Think of the hours and hours of fun you can have. Kids and grown-ups. Forget game night. You want slime night. Slime for all the family. Let me put this one aside. This time I'm using red slime, big beads, the pink glitter flakes. Reminds me of candy floss. Let me start working my slime. Whoa! Oh, it's like lava. Ooh, this might be an ideal set for bubbles. Oh, I added bees, let's do some bubbles. So I got my straw, and it's already included. I'll show you how you do bubbles. Put your straw on there, wrap it, and then let me show you again. You put your straw in the middle, wrap it. That is my first bubble blowing. Blowing all the different types you can make. And the good thing is the slime's already made for you. You can just spend the time having fun. This time I now have bees in it. I'm now going to get a cutter. I'm going to use the dolphin cutter and a knife to cut around it. Guys, I spread the slime out and now I'm going to put the dolphin in just like that. Just moving the slime away from the edges, and it's safety first with a plastic knife. Amazing, you get all of this included. Wait, the red is turning into pink. Weird. As you can see, it's all moved. Now let me pick up the dolphin and it should be finished. OMG! It's so good! Wait. This is an eyeball. Look how that fell, guys. It's an eye for the dolphin. Beautiful. Guys, I got my kiwi center slime with some beads. In a super big packet, just like the white one. Ooh, that was amazing, guys. But I think it's too sticky. This is a bit like a water slime. Let me work it all to come together. This would be ideal for blowing bubbles. Let me add some bees. Cut all the bees and we just start adding them in. They're disappearing. Now do you know what I mean when I said it clears when it goes? Guys, I'm gonna try to blow some bubbles again. Fold. That. Oh, that were a good one. Guys, we only made 4 slimes. Got all the stuff left. Amazing. This time I'm gonna use my cutter so you can split these slimes. Thank you. A fountain of slime. beautiful. The slime kit has to be on the new one's wish list. Let me show you how I cut it in half. Can you see we've now split the beauty? Look at the colour now, it got air in it. Look at the little bubbles. Like frog spawn. Ew. Amazing! Guys, I'm doing this one a bit different. I got my shape a fish. So here it is. Now turn it upside down. I'm gonna put my glitter in. Can you see it, guys? I'm gonna add some snowflakes. Looks like Elsa's snowflakes. Can you see them, guys? I have my blue slime into this scoop. I'm gonna scrape it out as I put the slime in. Can you see it? I'm gonna flatten it all out. Goes right in the corners. Now let me turn it around. Now let me take the slime out. Wow! How amazing does that look? Now let's mix it together. Full way of doing it, guys. Let me show you all the slimes we've made. We got lemon with white beads. Here's the tumble slime, red. Four big beads with some pink flakes. Then the kiwi slime with blue glitter. Clear slime with all the fruit. Then the snowflake slime with blue slime with silver glitter and snowflakes. Let me show you them this way around. I really love the fruits. Look guys, I have all of this still left to play with. This kit is made by Joyjoz. You get 43 pieces and what would be hours and days worth of fun. I hope you like this video, guys. I'll drop the links in the product down in the description so that you can buy it. I highly recommend it. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and comment down below which is your favourite slime. Don't forget to hit the red button and ring that big bell. And bye!